Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google Dictation on Google Docs. First open your browser, then search for docs.google.com. Then this type of interface will be visible in your screen. Now open your file. I'm gonna open a blank file. Now click on Tools. You will find voice typing under Translate document. Click on voice typing. And for speaking, you have to click on this icon. When the icon will be red, then you can speak. So this is how you can use Google Dictation in Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.